Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Pixel 10 Pro mobile data not working. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the control center from the right side. Doesn't matter which side. Here we want to open it again, and we want to make sure that we go to mobile data. Here we want to simply go over and click on the gear icon. Disable the SIM. Once you disable it, you can turn it back on. So this is a quick restart of our SIM card. What are we going to do next? As here we want to make sure that our Wi-Fi calling is enabled, and of course preference call over Wi-Fi. Here make sure that you have automatically selected network, and once you do that, what you can do is simply leave those settings. Now go to the main page right here, go to network and internet, go to SIMs, and as you guys can see, we're back here. Now we're resetting only the mobile data, and once we click on our SIM, we should be back to the settings right here. So scroll down to access point names. Here make sure that you have the internet. If you don't have it, and let's say you deleted this, you click on the three dots, click reset default, and your internet will be back. As you guys can see, now we reset this to default, and if you cannot reset it to default, here in messages I got the manual tutorial on how to get the internet. So as you guys can see, I need to type in internet in the APN. Now the APN type should be default, and then we're gonna save it. So you should also get it from your SIM provider. Now what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. It can be over the mobile data or over Wi-Fi, doesn't really matter. We're gonna go to settings and go to software updates, click on system update, and as you guys can see, for me an update is available, but if you also do not have an update, click on download and install. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.